Howdy YouTubers, Mark here. I'm going to show you a quick demonstration on how to assemble your monster if you get one and it arrives to your place. Anyway, you'll unpack it from a box. It looks like this one down here. You've got his head. I'll put it aside. And we've got his feet. They got these PVC tubes. And his legs. And he's got a front and a back, so whatever britches are in the front here, that's going to be his front. So you assemble this thing by putting these connectors on these legs, like so, making sure that they are straight. Push them down on there. Then we will grab his torso. And we will put his torso on his bottoms. Also get the hands, which they are foam tubes, see? Sit them aside. Then we will get the torso. You notice it's a PVC connector. Use that to connect the top from the bottom. So we slide that on like so. And we've got most of him together there now. Now we want to pull his britches up. And on some monsters, some people prefer to add some suspenders to help keep the pants up, because they can fall if they're not properly suspended. We'll tuck his shirt in, and then we'll zip the britches up, get them kind of pulled tight. Makes it easier to button them. Button them is probably the hardest thing to do. Unless you're a mortician and you know how to dress bodies, because reverse dressing stuff is kind of hard to do. So we got his britches on. This is a little PVC tube that helps secure the head. Now, we pull these pants, we pull these britches down under the boots. And allow them to all right, so far so good. Get it? Let's see. Looks like his head's made a trip. We'll take his head. Set it right there, like so. You adjust the collar around his neck. And then grab these hands. Slide them up on the wire. These are wire arms, so they can be moved, bent, so they can do that. They can do that kind of. They really can't do that. So, and there you go. There is Frankenstein. Looks like his britches can be pulled down a little bit. I got them up kind of high. arms so he can be asking for a cover charge when you want him to come into your haunted house. Pulled out like so. You can kind of act like he's stopping you from walking through. Anyway, I hope that helps. It's a very simple reassembly. You disassemble it and pack it up for storage the same way. This is going up to New York City. And I hope he makes a safe trip. He's going to go UPS, I think. And thanks for watching, and thanks for enjoying my monsters. I've got some new ones on the way that I'll be working on the next couple of months. All right, it's Mark here saying see y'all later. I'm going to turn this off now.